It's Kenny, your friendly pool school guy. It's been a while since I put a post up, so I thought I'd do a little rant about the blow and go gardener. So what is a blow and go gardener? Well, a blow and go gardener is the kind of gardener comes to your house, does all their work, and then takes their blower and blows your trimmings and everything off your property and everywhere. The problem with this is too often they blow much of that into the pool. Please understand this, your pool is not a refuse depository, okay? You don't want excessive garden debris in your pool because it will release phosphates, which will dramatically increase your algae, okay? It'll also cause your pool chemistry to have to work extra hard, which means you're going to be using up far more chemicals in order to keep that balance in check. And lastly, it'll decrease the efficiency of your pool because all that debris is going to get vacuumed up, it's going to get put into your skimmer basket, and it's going to clog up that stuff, so your pool's not going to flow as well. So, what should happen if you own a pool and you have a gardener? Well, here's my opinion. That gardener should not use their blowers around the pool. They should use a vacuum and vacuum the debris around the pool up so it doesn't end up in the pool. Then, once they're a good 10 feet away from the pool, they can use their blowers to blow the debris away from the pool. Please note this, if you decide that your gardeners aren't going to do that, you should charge them for cleanup, or at least then make them responsible to clean up what's in your pool that they blew in there. Anyway, that's my little 2 cents worth today. I hope you guys are having a great time. Remember, summer is coming. In Arizona, it's already here. So please, 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 have fun, be safe, and always watch your kids around water. We'll see you next time.